If you're seeing a SurveyMonkey Internal Server Error 500, don't panic. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the quickest and most effective ways to fix it step by step, so you can get back to your survey without wasting time. This kind of error is usually caused by a temporary server issue, a browser problem, or a session glitch. And the good news is that there are several easy fixes you can try right now. Before we start, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. It really helps the channel, and it lets you know when I upload more helpful videos. First, try refreshing the page. You can press F5 on your keyboard or click the reload button in your browser. Sometimes the error is only temporary, and a simple refresh is enough to load the page correctly. This is the fastest fix, so always start here before trying anything else. If that doesn't work, the next step is to wait and try again later. This is especially important because server errors often come from SurveyMonkey's side, not yours. Wait about 5 to 30 minutes, then come back and try loading the page again. In many cases, the issue resolves itself without you needing to change anything. If the servers are having a temporary problem, time is often the best fix. Now let's move on to clearing your browser cache and cookies. Open your browser settings, then find the Privacy or Browsing Data section. Clear your cache and cookies, then close and restart your browser. Old or corrupted cache files can cause loading issues, session problems, and unexpected errors like this one. Clearing them gives your browser a fresh start and can fix a lot of hidden problems. After that, try logging out of SurveyMonkey and logging back in again. This refreshes your session and can resolve authentication issues that may be triggering the server error. Sometimes your login session gets stuck or expires in the background, and signing out and back in forces everything to reconnect properly. If the error is still showing, check your internet connection. Make sure your connection is stable, then try restarting your router if needed. You can also switch to another network, such as mobile data or a different Wi-Fi connection. A weak or unstable connection can interrupt page loading and make a server issue look worse than it actually is. Another great fix is to try a different browser or device. If you're using Chrome, switch to Edge or Firefox, or try opening SurveyMonkey on your phone or another computer. Browser-specific issues, extensions, or device settings can sometimes interfere with the site. Testing another browser helps you quickly figure out whether the problem is with SurveyMonkey itself or with your current setup. If none of those steps work, the issue may be on SurveyMonkey's end, and you may need to wait a little longer for their servers to recover. You can also check whether the problem happens on multiple devices or only one, which can help you narrow it down. The more of these steps you try, the better chance you have of fixing the error without needing extra support. So to recap, refresh the page, wait and try again, clear cache and cookies, log out and log back in, check your internet, and try a different browser or device. One of these fixes usually solves the SurveyMonkey Internal Server Error 500 quickly. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.